Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing well and I'm so excited to share this video today because it is a massive beauty haul and first impressions. Like itni sari sales chal rahi hai, especially on Nykaa, the hot pink sale. I shopped my heart out again. I love to shop on sales and this is the best time. Let me show you. I have about more than 30 products to show you guys, from body care, skin care, hair care, makeup and everything. As you can see, I shopped a lot. So without wasting any more time, let's just dive right into it. As per usual, सारे links description box में होंगे, so don't forget to check that out. And so the first products are face serum, and I got 3 from Plum. They're my favorite 10% niacinamide, then 15% vitamin C serum, and this time I bought retinol 1% serum for fine lines and wrinkles. इसके बारे में मैंने बहुत सुना था. I tried it like 2-3 years back, but मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा purging हो गया था. Maybe my skin was not ready at that time, but now I've repurchased it and it is working so better on my skin. Like मैं इसको रात में लगाती हूँ and morning में मेरी skin इतनी soft and plump सी लगती है. So I have been using it for 2 weeks and it is showing results. So I'm really happy to get these 3. Then whenever you shop from Plum, you always end up getting freebies. So this time I got their shine and strength combo mini travel pack. हाँ, ये इनका कोकोनट एंड पेप्टाइड का शैम्पू एंड सीरम का मिनी ट्रैवल साइज किट है, which I'm really excited for. Then also got their lash serum eyeliner free in the color black. And also I use a creator's coupon code, so I got a colored eyeliner free. This is the Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal in the color green. I already have a black one. These are pretty good and smudge proof, so I'm happy to get the freebies always. Next I got 2 sunscreen. One is from Wishcare and the other is from Dot & Key. Now इनको मैंने इतना ज़्यादा देख लिया था इंटरनेट पे, and because for some reason my Dot & Key sunscreen was making me too much greasy. Like it was feeling very heavy on my skin, although that was like the barrier repair one. So I think it is humid weather, it is not working properly on my skin, so I had to get like a new sunscreen for myself. And this one from Wishcare was suggested by a lot of creators, especially oily skin type people, because it is the oil balance fluid sunscreen. It's light and matte and it has SPF of 50, plus it has ceramide, zinc, cica, all of the ingredients that I love, absolutely love. This is such a good formulation. इतनी fluid, इतनी liquidy है ये, and इतनी जल्दी skin में absorb हो जाती है. It does not make my skin oily at all throughout the day, so I'm loving using this one. Then I got the viral, everybody was using this and raving about this, so I finally got my hands on the Dot & Key Strawberry Dewy Tinted Sunscreen. This also has SPF of 50, PA 4 times plus, and I got in the shade Sand. I've also done a review of this in my shorts, so I'll put it here. Next, I got the Dot & Key Retinol Plus Ceramide Night Cream. Now, I have been using their Cica Repair Night Cream. वो भी अच्छी है, but वो थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा soft हो गई है for my skin, if I have to say like that. And also, I wanted to include retinol, like I said. So, Nykaa Pay, this was the best seller in night cream, so I grabbed it and I've been using it for like 2 weeks. It's a superb मॉइस्चराइजर फॉर ऑयली स्किन टाइप. बिल्कुल ऑयली नहीं है, बिल्कुल वे डाउन नहीं करता, बिल्कुल भी स्टिकी नहीं लगता है, एंड मॉर्निंग में स्किन बेबी सॉफ्ट लगती है. सो दिस इज नॉट लाइक क्रीम, ये जेल की कंसिस्टेंसी वाला है. इफ यू कैन सी, लाइक इट हैज अ जेल सॉर्ट ऑफ अ कंसिस्टेंसी. It does not feel heavy on the skin, so I'm loving using this in the night for my night care. The last segment of the skincare is our care for the body. Now for body, I have only 2 things. One is for my husband and one is for me. Are body washes. So yeah, as you can see, these are massive bottles. One is from Pears, their natural vitamin C, refreshing vitamin C body wash. This is Nykaa specific, like it's only available on Nykaa, and it smells heavenly. Itna fresh, lemony and sweet, and yet it has vitamin C, so this one's perfect for my husband. And as you can see, we are sorted for the whole remaining year. And for myself, I ordered the Be Body Wise 1% salicylic acid body wash because I have a lot of back acne and body acne. So this really helped me. I've used like a smaller bottle of this last year, and it did really help me. So I was like, let's just get over with it. I always get body acne somehow, so ये मेरे को बहुत help करेगा. And I bought like 700 ml of this one. This has like really tiny beads. Yeah, it feels very fresh, like how your washroom smells. It smells like that, so it's very fresh, works on the body. So that's why I got the bigger bottles of body version is sorted for the entire year now. Next we move on to hair care. Yes, मेरे पास 3 ही products हैं and let me show you quickly कि मेरे पास क्या क्या products हैं. So first I bought a shampoo. This is the Wishcare Triple Bond Repair Shampoo. अब मैंने बहुत लोगों को इसको recommend करते हुए सुना था, and because of the humidity and something has happened to my hair, इतना मुझे hair fall हो रहा है, इतना मेरा breakage हो रहा था, that I ended up buying this one, and this has such a thick consistency, so मुझे थोड़ा सा उसे water से emulsify करना पड़ता है, but and second wash से this has really shown me results. मेरे जो frizz है उसको इतने अच्छे से ये tame कर देता है, इतने soft बाल हो जाते हैं and manageable हो जाते हैं for me to detangle and all of that. So this is really working a lot for me. Very happy with this one. Then I finally got my hands on the 2 most bestseller products on Nykaa in their categories, and first one is the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. So I finally gave in and ordered this one, और ये इतने अच्छे डिस्काउंट में मुझे मिल रहा था कि I just could not resist, and मैंने अभी भी इसको लगाया हुआ है. Again, this paired up with the shampoo is chef's kiss. मैं और कुछ नहीं बोलना चाहती इसके बारे में. This is just I'm enjoying this. And then ये तो शैम्पू वाली बात हो गई, जब आपके बाल धुले हुए हैं. जब आपके बाल नहीं धुले हुए हैं, I've got you covered, and we have a normally dry shampoo. I had my eyes on this product for so long. In the last sale, I ordered their shampoos buy one get one में, and the shampoos मैं उनको इतना कम यूज करके लगा रही हूँ because they're about to finish, and अभी इस पे buy one get one नहीं है, and इसीलिए मैंने इनका dry shampoo खरीदा है. And it has rice starch and tea tree oil. Both are amazing for your scalp. This also said it does not leave any that white residue in your hair, so I have my high hopes on this one. I think I'll do a shots on it, so stay tuned. Then I have a product that जिससे मुझे बिल्कुल भी उम्मीद नहीं थी, but it turned out to be a staple in my skincare routine. And yes, this is from Simple, their Oil Be Gone Micellar Water. It is supposed to cleanse and detoxify your skin along with taking out all of your makeup. This is such a good and gentle micellar water. After Garnier, ये मेरा staple बन चुका है. Like, this is my second purchase, so I really love this one. If you have oily skin type, you will love this micellar water. Don't miss out on this. And I got a face wash free from L'Oreal Paris. Their Revitalift Crystal Deep Purifying Cleansing, बहुत सारे names ले इस पे. Ultimately, this is a foaming oil free face wash जो मुझे absolutely free मिला है. This is 120 ml, so full size product मुझे free मिला है, and I'm very excited to try this one because this has 2% salicylic acid, so this is like मेरी skin type के लिए मुझे कुछ free मिल गया है, so I'm very excited to try this. I got another freebie with my body wash. It is their Be Body Wise Niacinamide Serum. छोटा सा travel pack है इसका ये, and this is so cute. Now let's move on to makeup. Yay, finally I'm so excited. मैंने इतना सारा मंगाया है, इतना सारा कुछ free आया है मुझे कि I'm so excited. So let's start with one of my favorite brands on Nykaa is K Beauty. So I ordered a bunch of stuff. First is their Kohl Kajal, their 24 Kohl Kajal in the color brown. I have this in a different color and इतना अच्छा pigmentation है इसका. Let me show you guys. It's in the color, I think I have like green. This is how the packaging looks. It has a rose gold cap and this is the brown color. I've not used it yet. So smooth, and once it sets, it like sets in place. Budge proof, and can you see the color, the pigmentation? It's like almost brownish black, which I love. So I'm very glad that I ordered like a brown shade for myself. The product I ordered was K Beauty lip liner. Finally I got it, and this is the most viral shade, Fame. Again, this is also a brownish kind of a liner.
Open कर लेना चाहिए था. I've removed my extensions. Nails इतने brittle हो रहे हैं कि it's not opening only. It's taking forever. Come on.
So this is how the liner pencil looks. So gorgeous. I love the packaging of K Beauty. Like उनका पूरा K लिखा हुआ. Although I don't like that उनका actual name of the product is written really low and इतने सारे motives में वो छुप जाता है. So yeah, maybe something to work on. But anyways, this is the perfect brown nude that I like. How gorgeous is that? And it glided like really smooth. I'm so happy that I got. I was so confused in the shade range, but I'm so happy I got a brown one to मेरे सबके साथ जाएगा. The next thing I ordered is K Beauty Matte Compact. ये भी मैं बहुत टाइम से order करना चाहती थी, so I got it in the shade 130N medium. And packaging is always very luxe on K. They're a rose gold, as you can see. How pretty! And because I've used their blushes and they are pigmented as hell. And this is how the color looks. It's pretty yellow tone, so it's gonna match me. And let me swatch it for you. Yeah, and it's very lightweight. It's very lightweight, has yellow undertones, so yeah, it'll help me with those no makeup looks. Just where I can just put this on and be done with it. So, and they always give you like a good mirror also. So, packaging wise, product wise, pigmentation wise, formulation wise, K Beauty is really killing it. With these 3 purchases, I got the best thing free. I was so excited for it, and I got a matte blush free with my purchase. I mean, can you imagine? I got a blush, full size blush free, and this is in the shade Mild Berry. This is such a gorgeous shade. I had this on today. I couldn't resist. मुझे बस use करना था ये, and it was there in my wish list as well because इतना प्यारा blush है ये, इतना प्यारा color है ये. Again, the rose gold detailing and the color at the back, and look at the color. ये इतनी सारी skin tones को suit करेगा. This is such a subtle pink, such a subtle berry color. Yeah, आज ये I have applied it on my skin and just look at that. So pretty. Although I've applied another blush that I'll show you. So yeah, I was very excited that I got this for free with my purchase. Another of my favorite brands is L'Oreal, and I ordered the most viral of 2 products from L'Oreal Paris are the Panorama Mascara and their Panorama Mascara and their Infallible Matte Resistance Lipstick in the shade Lazy Sunday. Lipsticks I'll do in the end, but the mascara, it was going viral everywhere, so I was like, I have to get my hands on this one. And today I have used the same mascara. Can you see the lift it has given? I mean, I have like good eyelashes, touch wood, but it really has volumized my lashes. I absolutely love the gorgeous packaging. Can you see? And this is how the wand is. Pretty nice, pigmented, and gives a very wispy look to the eyelashes, sorry. Next up, I ordered a lot of things from Nykaa as well because they had like good offers running on them. I got their Glamorized Kajal in the Ruby variant. For so long मुझे ये colored eyeliner use करना था, and this seemed like a good color. This is how the packaging is, pretty black and नीचे color है. Wow, this glided like butter, and just see the color payoff. It's so nice. Deep burgundy color, and I can also use it as a lip liner. I'm really happy to get this one, and this is the exact color that I wanted. Then I got another lip liner, and this is from Nykaa, their Lipstone Fly series, and I got in the shade. ये भी खुला नहीं है. Oops, I did it. I am back, and this is how the color is. This color is Just Bitten, and let's see. Oh, nice. ये muted pink sort of a color है. I don't know whether it will suit me or not, but this is the shade. It's pretty nice, mauvey pink nude सा color है ये. I hope this suits me because in pictures it looked good, and I think it's gonna suit me. मेरे पास बहुत सारी lipsticks हैं to go with it, so yeah, pretty happy with this one. It glided nicely. थोड़ा सा drying लग रहा है ये. Like Mars के lip liners are way more creamier, but this is like a little stiff, but let me use it and then I'll let you know. I ordered a nail paint from Nykaa. This is their breathable collection in the shade Easy Nude. My extensions are gone, so I ordered like a nail paint, and काफी अच्छा nude सा color है ये. Let me try it on. So I like that. Oh, this is a good color. Such a perfect nude for me. Such a good color. I'm so happy I got this in this shade. Abhi bhi I have like a top coat from Nykaa only. This is such a good one. I'm happy to have this. Then I got a freebie from Nykaa. Of course, when you shop from Nykaa, you always get freebies. I got this So Matte Me lipstick in the shade Wicked Wine, and this is way too tiny, way too cute. Can you see the packaging, how tiny it is? Good for travel days. And this is the shade. Wow, it is a beautiful deep plum sort of a color. Wow, it's a proper plum shade. Just see that. It like एक ही swipe में अच्छा color आया है. See? Wow. good job. I've never tried anything from this range, so I'm happy to get the mini size. अगर मुझे अच्छा लगेगा तो I can order a big one also. Like I don't have enough lipstick. So I got two things from NYX. I wanted an eyeliner, and NYX Epic Ink Liner is one of the best in the market. And उसके साथ मुझे ये उनका dewy fixing spray free मिला है, which is a good deal because I always wanted this variant, but ये काफी expensive है. So I was like, let me finish all of my other fixing sprays and then I'll get this one. But I got a very sweet deal. मुझे 700 में ये दोनों चीजें मिल गई. And this तो पूरे मार्केट में पता ही है कि it's one of the best eyeliner pens with a felt tip and gives the most black look. Like this is how the packaging is, and this is the precise pen, and one swipe color है इसका, so soft, glides beautifully, gives the best shortest wing. So yeah, मुझे एक के दाम में दो मिले. I got few things from Mars Cosmetics as well because that brand has been killing it with their launches and their formulations and everything. And I got their City Paradise palette. इसके ऊपर I had इतने टाइम से मेरी नजर थी ना इसके ऊपर, and I got the Chandigarh variant because उसका palette is the most versatile palette, and just look the detailing they have put in the packaging. I mean, this is so marketing is on point, although Lucknow and Delhi ka bhi tha palette, but the color theory was not my alley. And this is how the packaging is. It's so luxe. Look at the eyeshadow ka range inka and the face palette as well. The color of the blush, everything, मतलब जो मुझे चाहिए था वैसा ही था. Even the contour shade is cool tone, like I'll get like a proper chiseled contour. And सबसे ज़्यादा I love the eyeshadow. I already have palettes from Mars and their pigmentation is on point, and especially with this palette, it's so versatile. You can create so many looks with just one palette. So I love the concept. Been seeing it for so long. The names are hilarious. Like
Lassi, Jutti, Rock Garden, Prothe, Sector 18, Gedi, Turban, Truck, Fulkari, Rose Garden.
So everything related to that particular city, उसका नाम है यहाँ पे. So that's also a cute factor in it. Second thing I think आप अभी तक guess कर चुके होंगे, I'm obsessed with is their Edge of Desire lip liner that I got. उन्होंने 10 more shades launch करे हैं, and I was like, how can I miss that? First one I got was 13 number cinnamon roll, and this is like a proper brown. Yes, this is like a proper brown shade, if you can see here. I love how smoothly they glide. Then the next I got in the shade 20 chili red, and this is like a proper, oh wow, I mean, they glide. And this is the color chili red. I wanted like a warmer tone of red color, but this has like hints of orange and peach in it, so that really works for all the red colors. So got these two liners as well. Wow, I got like 4 liners in this one. I ordered 2 lipsticks from Love Child by Masaba, and I got a blush free. This time I got like 2 blushes free. Yeah, what is happening in the world? मतलब मेरे पे इतनी मेहरबानी. So this is their Band Baja blush in the variant Bubblegum Barat. Now I've tried it. आज मैंने उसको underneath लगाया है अपने K-Beauty वाले blush के नीचे, and this is how the packaging is. It's very similar to the K-Beauty creme blushes, and the shade also is way too pink for my taste, but the pigmentation, I've only taken this much, and now see, भाई साहब इतना फैल जाता है ये और इतने अच्छे से ब्लेंड होता है ना. I mean, it's so pretty. The color is really pretty. मुझे लगा था बहुत ज़्यादा bright लगेगा on my skin tone, but it looks really beautiful. फ्री की चीज़ें तो वैसे ही अच्छी लगती हैं यार, कैसी भी हो. You can use them in any way. The next things are a face all over stick and a lip oil, and this brand DM Beauty I have been seeing everywhere on the internet, and I can see that internet made me buy these. So yeah, I got their all over multi stick and their Love Potion lip oil. इनकी पैकेजिंग में हार्ट बनता है. This is so innovative and cool. I got both in the shade neutral only. So let's see the first stick. ये भी मैंने बहुत रिसर्च करके लिए थे कि मेरे स्किन टोन पे क्या अच्छा लगेगा क्या नहीं. And the packaging is so luxe. I mean, beautiful. And these multi-stick have a diamond core, in between, and this is like a proper nude color. I've not tried it yet. I was like waiting for this video. Oh wow, तो बहुत अच्छे से glide कर रहा है. This is how the color looks. It's so pretty, such a nudie mauve sort of a shade, and it's really gonna look great on bare skin and even on makeup. And this has like a diamond core in between, so it's infused with skincare. Very good concept. I've seen it in lip products of different brands. Next product is their Love Potion lip oil. Now ये मुझे बहुत time से try करना था, but the shades, they've launched like 2 new shades for their birthday, and one of them really intrigued me. This is in the shade Milkshake. Now look at that, look at the particles. If you can see, it is like glitter and shimmer. I hope you can see. I'll apply it right now and show you. It's like really thick. See how instantly juicy it makes my lips, and looks perfect for this attire as well. So gorgeous, and look at the fat wand it has. It's so easy to apply lip shades, and I love this product. I'm so happy that I got this product in this particular shade. And in the same moisturizing category, I have the Hyphen Lip Balm, their vitamin infused peptide lip balm in the new shade that they launched, Vintage. This is a mauvey brown shade. I had to buy it. I'm already in love with their neutral shade, and look at the packaging. This color is outright very similar to the Hailey Bieber's brand, that's Rhodes lip balm. काफी similar है packaging and the color उससे, and obviously I think the अंदर का shade भी match करेगा. And soft. This is how the shade looks. So काफी sheer out हो जाता है ये, no doubt, and has like a hint of color. So that's amazing. As it is, I'm in love with this. We're down to our final segment, that is lipsticks. And अब मुझे realize I thought I bought a lot of lipsticks, but I only have bought like 3 lipsticks, और एक तो मुझे free आई थी, so not bad. And these two from Masaba I wanted from a long time. I mean, Hukum I had suggested to so many people who have asked me for like brown neutral lipsticks, and I myself did not end up purchasing it ever. So इस बार सेल पे I thought let's just get it यार, मैंने अभी तक क्यों नहीं खरीदी है अपने लिए ये. And this is how the color looks. It is a burnt orange brown color. This shade is gonna look good on so many skin types. Such a good shade of brown, and they have like a complete matte formula and non-budge formula. मैंने अभी इसे लगाया है, and yeah, there is no budge, no transfer. Love it. The next one is a relatively new recommendation. I went ahead and bought it, and look at that color. Just, and the detailing on the cap is to die for. मतलब मसाबा ने शुरू से ही अपना marketing का on point रखा है with, and oh boy, yes, this is like a beautiful traditional red color with hints of pink. It's so pretty. It's gonna suit a lot of skin tones, especially my skin tone पे इतना मेरे पे ये अच्छा लगने वाला है ना. मतलब especially with the wedding season and traditional holidays वगैरह coming, these colors are just going to kill it. Like, these shades are a must have for festive seasons. Please run and grab these. Last product from this haul is a L'Oreal lipstick. This is their Infallible Matte Resistance lipstick, newly launched during the Lakme Fashion Week, and I got in the shade Lazy Sunday. Oh boy, this is a gorgeous mauvish brown shade. Love it. Can you see? Oh my god, this is gonna look amazing, stunning on so many of you and me. And it glided like one swipe color iska hai, and they say this is a non-transfer formula. I will have to try this for myself, so stay tuned for the shots. That's it for the video today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked the massive Nykaa haul and the beauty haul I've presented, and you found it helpful as well. Let me know if you want any swatches, reviews, or my 2 cents on any of these products. I'll be more than happy to do it for you. Also, let me know if you have already shopped from Nykaa or any of the products you are excited for. Leave them in the comment section. All the product links will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Give this video a big thumbs up, comment your favorites, and subscribe subscribe for more such content, more beauty content, more reviews, more beauty hauls, and more travel content. Until then, I'll see you in my next. Bye bye.